You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves. I'll rise up, in spite of the ache. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again. When the silence isn't quiet and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe, and I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Move mountains, bring it to its feet. Move mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I do it 1,000 times again.
Till the end, bless you. I bless you. Till the end, bless you. There's never been a day when memories are on my mind. Oh no. Especially when I see a picture. Sometimes I cry. You are the water that cleanses my soul. And you are the beauty that makes me whole. I'll see you on the other side someday. Really just can't imagine any other way. Wait for me, 'cause I'll see you again in time. I know I see the day when I can hold you on the other side. Oh my, I'm gonna hold you. I remember the clouds, and I wonder what you're doing there. When I close my eyes, I can feel you everywhere. Ooh, it's I remember you laughing. Feel so
So the good news is, Miss Leatiota, you get prescription for your weed. And the bad news is, you got the money.
I have so much to say, but in the least most simple way, I love you. Ooh. I have so much to share, and so to show you how I care, I thank you. I just wanna say thank you for the many things you've done, for having faith in me more than anyone. And when people would have bad things to say and try to tear me down in the worst possible way, honey, you stood right by me, and that's how love is supposed to be. I just wanna say thank you for the many things you've done. Wanna say thank you for the many things you've done. La da 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 da. I have so much to give, so for as long as I shall live, I love you. Ooh. I have so much to do just to prove my love is true, 'cause I thank you. Lord knows I was headed downhill until you came along. Now suddenly life is a song, this happy song I just love to sing. Though I'm missing you, I'll find a way to get through. Living without you, 'cause you were my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by. Who would've known that you'd have to go so suddenly, so fast? How could it be that our sweet memories would be all that we have planned? And now that you're gone, every day I go on, but life's just not the same. I'm so empty inside, and my tears I can't hide. But I'll try to face the pain, though I'm missing you. I'll find a way to get through. Living without you, 'cause you were my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by.
There were so many things that we could have shared. If time was on our side. Ooh, yeah. Now that you're gone, I can still feel you near. So I'll smile with every tear I cry. Though I'm missing you.
When the sun goes down on my side of town, that lonesome feeling comes to my door, and the whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad track. I got a table for two way in the back where I sit alone and think of losing you. I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon. Now if you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely. To watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the beams of a neon moon. I think of two young lovers are running wild and free. I close my eyes and sometimes see you in the shadows of this smoke-filled room. No telling how many tears.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
And your favorite food?
Steak.
And your favorite place?
What kind of place?
Any place that you really like going. Like if you could go there and stay there forever, where would it be?
Bora Bora.
I've never even been to Bora Bora.
Huh?
You've never even been to Bora Bora.
So?
Okay.
I've been in my imagination.
Fair. Fair enough. Okay. And your favorite person?
Jesus.
Your favorite alive person?
Oh. My dad.
Second favorite person?
I don't know, it's a tie.
Between?
I can't share it.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Okay, fine. What's your favorite music?
Country now.
Really? What's your favorite song?
Broken Done.
Oh. Really? That's fascinating. Where's your favorite place that you lived at?
Here.
This house?
Oh, actually the Hilltop.
Hilltop? The first house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed that house. Okay. Hey, Abigail.
You don't know what I've been through. Let me share my story with you. All the things that he brought me through. My stormy days and my rainy days. You don't know all the tears I've cried, the things I've kept bottled up inside, trying my best to be strong, waiting on God and holding